Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Oceania Cruise experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful brand new Oceania Vista. This fantastic veranda room is one of the concierge options. Now I'm going to go through all those details here in just a moment and tour the space, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this particular concierge veranda or any room or suite with Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com or reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an incredible relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, Oceania is known for their food. Their tagline is the finest cuisine at sea, and they absolutely deliver time and time again. Now, there's so many extra upgrades that you get with Concierge, and one of those is early access to reservations for those delicious specialty restaurants. You'll get early embarkation privileges, have a bottle of bubbly upon ice upon your arrival. You're also going to have access to the Concierge Lounge, where you can take advantage of those wonderful services, in addition to having access to the Aquamar Terrace. You can see that beautiful spa terrace on our full ship tour. There's quite a few other great upgrades. We'll talk about them as we tour the space. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, I wanted to point out that right to the side, you're going to have a temperature control, but it's more than that. You can communicate, do not disturb, or make up room with your cabin steward, but you also can scan in, connect it to your own personal device, phone, or iPad. Of course, you also have some Wi-Fi amenities as well, but you'll be able to utilize that anywhere in the room. It's truly a high-tech ship in addition to being beautiful. Now, as we step into the bathroom, I really love this space. It's absolutely beautiful. You've got storage in the corner, tucked just behind the mirrors and down below with the drawers. Here you'll have a nice large vanity, plenty of storage underneath as well, a large backlit mirror, and you get the first glimpse of those highly upgraded Bulgari bath amenities. You can see already that the space here is ample, and it's quite a bit more than you're gonna find from their competitors. Now, as we step inside the shower, I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6", I fit just fine in here. You got the rainfall shower head up above, the adjustable shower wand, and also a nook for those highly upgraded Bulgari bath amenities. Now, as we step further into the room, you're gonna find your closet. There's plenty of space here. You've got hanging storage all the way across, those upgraded bathrobes and slippers, a golf umbrella, your Oceania tote that you can take with you, and a floor-to-ceiling mirror. Directly across, you've got another floor-to-ceiling mirror you can use to get ready before you head out. And then down below, you're gonna find your mini fridge. Now, you'll find a lot of inclusions with Oceania. You'll have sodas and water included, along with specialty coffees and teas. You'll see their partnership with Vero Water. They'll replenish that as often as you'd like throughout your stay. You can also provide still or sparkling water based on your preference. Right up above, you'll have your full laptop size safe, the cashmere throw you can use out on the balcony, another one of those great upgrades, and then you also have shelves for storage. Now, keep in mind, this ship does some incredible longer grand voyages. You're going to want to book those early because they do fill up. Of course, you can get on the Harr Travel upcoming deployment list so we can let you know as soon as they become available. Now, you'll see the Tranquility bed, which is one of my all-time favorite features. It'll separate apart into two twins if you'd like. It also has space underneath for storage, but it's a highly upgraded mattress, pillow, and linen set that you're going to really enjoy. You've got storage on either side with the nightstands, directional reading lamps so you don't disturb your partner, and then on either side of the bed you'll find a US plug, a USB charger, and a USB-C charger to charge your devices overnight. Directly across you'll find a large flat panel TV. It's fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television or your favorite movies on demand. Now, as we head further in, you've got your writing desk that doubles as a vanity here. There's storage in the drawers. It's also where you'll find your hair dryer. You've got a large backlit mirror to get ready. In addition to a magnifying mirror, you've got more plugs with two more US plugs, two more USBs and USB-Cs, in addition to a European plug. Now, right in the middle, you're gonna have a table. Now, keep in mind, because you've upgraded to a concierge room, you're gonna be able to take advantage of an expanded room service menu, including from the grand dining room. You've got a nice large double sofa here. Once again, sit there, have a nice cup of coffee, though for me, I'm gonna head outside and take it on the veranda. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So now we're out on your extra large forward-facing veranda. You've got two chairs and a table and a ton of deck space. It's that perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, as you take advantage of the incredible ever-changing ocean views. Now, keep in mind that this particular room, you can connect to one of the Vista suites to create a multiple room residence here. You can also book it standalone and get the same exact views as the captain. Now, when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite on Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out and have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.